Welcome to a captivating journey through the story of Ethereum, the blockchain platform that changed the world of cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies, one platform stands out as a true game-changer: Ethereum. In July 2015, Ethereum officially launched, introducing the world to smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Smart contracts gave rise to decentralized applications, or dApps, allowing developers to create a wide range of applications on the Ethereum blockchain. But Ethereum's innovation didn't stop there. In 2015, the Ethereum community introduced the ERC20 token standard, enabling the creation of a vast array of tokens and kickstarting the initial coin offering, ICO, boom. 2017 saw Ethereum's popularity skyrocket as ICOs raised billions of dollars, leading to the development of exciting projects. However, with great success came challenges. The Ethereum network faced scalability issues, leading to congestion and high gas fees. To address these issues, Ethereum embarked on an ambitious journey to transition from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake with Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum 2.0 promises increased scalability, sustainability, and a more inclusive ecosystem. Today, Ethereum continues to evolve, enabling decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and a myriad of innovative projects. Ethereum's impact reaches far beyond the blockchain world, influencing industries like finance, art, gaming, and even governance. As we look to the future, Ethereum remains a symbol of innovation, collaboration, and the limitless possibilities of blockchain technology. Join us in celebrating the revolutionary journey of Ethereum, and stay tuned for the exciting developments yet to come. Explore the world of Ethereum and be a part of the blockchain revolution. Visit the Ethereum Foundation's website to learn more.